Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, July 11th, and this is my recap of the top viewed videos of the day. And gold versus the dollar came in number 3 today, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you'd like to see my full top down analysis on gold, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So we had CPI inflation data coming out today for the US dollar. Like I was mentioning today, I was actually not surprised at all that it just kept on trending up. I think we are very likely in a wave 5, a wave 3 of wave 5 if you want to be technical, on like the weekly time frame. Most likely this is going to go up towards the 25.50 area. I'm sure there's going to definitely be some pullbacks. We are at the 78% area, which is normally a pretty good area for a pullback. So if it does, make a three-way pullback, you can throw your Fibonacci retracement on here. And if you see three ways down, if you see a Fibonacci bounce, I would definitely continue to look for longs in an uptrend at the end of three-way pullbacks and Fibonacci retracement bounces. If it really does start breaking structure to the downside, then I would for sure start looking for shorts. Or if you start seeing some very significant lower highs. Otherwise, definitely still continuing to look for longs in an uptrend, most likely a wave 3 of wave 5 on the higher time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my website if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups and my daily live Zoom meetings. As always, thank you and happy trading.